A warm welcome to all my viewers and subscribers to Bird Paradise in Singapore, where one of the park's most thrilling presentations is about to begin, Predators on Wings. This spectacular show introduces us to some of nature's most powerful aerial hunters. These magnificent birds of prey have ruled the skies for millions of years, using incredible eyesight, lightning-fast reflexes, and razor-sharp talons to survive. As the show begins, we watch the birds soar effortlessly above the audience. Their graceful flight may look effortless, but every movement is as a result of remarkable strength, precision, and instinct. Many of these raptors can spot the slightest movement on the ground from hundreds of meters away, making them among the most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. One by one, the birds demonstrate their natural abilities. Some sweep low across the arena with breathtaking speed, while others display remarkable precision as they respond to the cues of their experienced trainers. These demonstrations showcase not only the bird's extraordinary intelligence, but also the trust that has been built between the bird and the keeper through the years of patient training using positive reinforcement. Each species has its own unique hunting style. Eagles use immense power to capture prey. Vultures, often misunderstood, play a vital role in nature by cleaning up the environment as efficient scavengers, helping to prevent the spread of diseases. Beyond the excitement, the presentation also carries an important conservation message. Around the world, many raptor species face threats from habitat loss, pollution, illegal hunting, and collisions with human-made structures. Protecting forests, wetlands, and natural ecosystems is essential to ensuring that these magnificent birds continue to soar in our skies for generations to come. The Predators on Wings show is more than just an entertainment. It is a memorable reminder of the vital role birds of prey play in maintaining nature's delicate balance and why they deserve our admiration, our respect, and our protection. Thank you for joining me at the Bird Paradise in Singapore. I hope you've enjoyed this extraordinary encounter with some of the world's most magnificent winged predators. If you have been following the video up to here, thank you very much for watching. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button at the end of this video. And remember to give it a thumbs up.